Good morning. Today is another day, good, beautiful day, cool weather here in Kenya. We are talking about raising pigs under inoculated deep litter system, the system that you don't need to wash every day. We use IMOs, indigenous microorganisms, to help in decomposition of the waste. Now, outside here is very cold, but you can see our pigs are enjoying warmth generated by materials that are put in a deep litter system. We don't need to wash this pen every day. These pigs have been here since February and they're enjoying. They have integrated very well with poultry. You can see when the pigs are not eating, the poultry are scavenging here in the same pen. And because of IMOs, there is no smell or flies because IMO, indigenous microorganisms, help in decomposition. Inside this pen is hot. The warmth is generated when the materials are decomposing. That's why for us natural farmers, we need to mimic the nature. What does the pig need to stay? They need natural environment. We have provided it for them. Thank you, and like our page.